Hi guys, this is Artur. This is my first video. Welcome on my channel. In my channel I'm gonna show you how to become the contractor, how they do the things, how they run the projects, how my projects looks, how I run my own projects, how I deal with the technical side of the projects, with the customers and all marketing difficulties and money flowing on the project, between the project, how the usual day of the contractor, how it looks, how it's organized, how they do the things, how do kitchen remodelings, bathroom remodelings, how do improvements, painting, how to deal with the electric installation, plumbing. I have my own contractors who is licensed and fully insured. Don't do electric and plumbing on your own if you don't have the experience, if you don't have the insurance license. Okay, so I want to show you my current project on iWorking. This is the house on the Chicago suburbs. In this house I did a painting job, and we're gonna do most my scope of work on this project was the painting. Painting is almost done. It's on the stage of the small touch-ups on the walls, like there, like over there in the corner, and it's almost done. It's almost done. Next week we will have here cleaning service, so we're gonna do deep cleaning for our customer, and this project gonna be pretty done. Here's the other thing and the big issue on this project, not caused by us, not by me. I took the control over this project after other contractor who was fired because he made a very low quality job about the cabinets installation and the tile backsplash. In the other video I'm gonna show you how the things went wrong on this project.